Hey guys, Haz from Haz Motorsport. Today we got this Audi RS6 in. The customer's fitted the downpipe Decat and doesn't want to go full stage 2. Understandable for him. Basically he's got disability controls and stuff like that on this Audi RS6, and he's a bit worried about the diffs as well, so he doesn't want to push it maximum. So what we're going to do is we are gonna do a mild tune on this car. I'm taking it now back to the workshop. We'll get a tune put on it and throw it on the dyno and see what power it makes as well.